Hi everyone, I'm excited to bring you this Huel package today. I just received it and I opened it just to show you what is inside, how it comes. This is how it arrives. So, as I am a little bit of OCD, I have to take everything out of the box, get rid of the box, and sanitize the table, and then put everything on the table, and we talk more. So now everything is sanitized. I put everything on the table, and I have to say this delivery was the next day delivery, and this whole package that you see, some of it maybe I push it a little bit to the side to see all of them. So we have the shakes, nutritions, the shakes, and then we have a spicy option. So I go through all of that in detail. So we have 3 package of shakes with the Huel uh, glass container, whatever, and then we have the meals, and this is the black edition. That is, they say it's the new one, and we have 4 scoops here with the Huel for the these 3 bags. We open everything and I show you, and it came with this. Get 10 pounds of Huel. Win 100 pounds of Huel. We are gonna read this, what it means, and this is the ready. Let's go start, and it's going to tell you a little bit about the history and then what it comes with. And this is, I think, what we have here, and it says real food, real taste, real nutrition, and that's it. It says £2.35 per meal, and whole food natural ingredients. And this is the new one that we have here. We have there these 3. Yes, this is the black edition, and then there are other products that they have, and that's really it. And then I put everything on the side. I think this one is the t-shirt. Let's see. I opted for the gray one. Let's see if they have sent me the gray one. Yes, is the gray Huel t-shirt. And that's it really. So now, one by one, I put them aside. One by one we are going through them and see what it is. I have to say, whatever that you see, the debris, there were a little bit of powder inside, and that is not dust. And you open it, we have a grill here, and then a piece of paper there. What is that? Shaker tips. You can read if you want. And then later on, I'm going to try this and see the quality, and each time maybe I share my opinion with you about the Huel. The hype is really high. That's why, I have to take my time, and this is another tips and tricks how to mix this, how to make them. That is handy as well. And there is nothing inside. That's really it. So we put these aside now. And on top of this, you have the measurement up to 700 milliliter. Yes, and we put this here. And now let's go for the whole meals. And this one, nutritionally complete food. And at the back, it says Black Edition, which is the new one. And this is says chocolate flavor. And these bags are really big, 1.53 kilograms each. So this is the chocolate flavor. And then I opted for these. This is the banana flavor. And this one is vanilla flavor. And these three, they are the dried food. This is madras. If you want, you can pause and read it if you want. This is madras. Put this at this corner. And then we have the, which one is this? Mexican chili. I opted for the medium chili flavor, and this one is the tomato and herbs. Yeah. So now this is just a video about show and tell, and I have to tell you these three bags and those nutrition drinks and the glass, the cups and the shirt all cost £135. So not very cheap, but they say is going to last you a long time. Let's see how long it's going to last. And you know, a little bit of disappointment that I had a £10 voucher and I wanted to use that because a friend recommended this. And when I filled everything up, and it said that when you are going to process your checkout, you are going to be prompted to use your voucher. And when I used my voucher, it didn't register, and it says it takes a little bit more time to process that 10 quid. I bought £135, and that 10 quid, you know, really didn't matter, but it just shows the way that Huel is processing everything. So they are not really helpful towards any sort of vouchers and so on. And if you see, if you have the same problem, leave a comment down below, and you know, we are going to take it further with Huel to see why that happened. So for the time being, as I mentioned, I'm going to try these. Let me just put these as well here. It doesn't show really, but I try a little bit. So all of this, 135 quid. Anyway, I'm going to report back to you if it's worth it or not, how it tastes, and maybe each time that I'm tasting one of them, I'm going to upload a video about this. But the hype is really high. I wanted to try this. There are other alternatives out there, but I opted for Huel. Let's see how it goes. Anyhow, Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. Until my next video, take care of yourself and each other, and as always, have a great time.